Handsome Spike, waiting for his ball. You gonna sit? Sit down. Good job. What a good boy. You ready? Go get that ball. Oh, he loves to play. You got it? You got it? Yeah? I got another one here. What's this? What's this? Yeah, such a handsome guy. Oh, that one ear with those freckles. You ready? It's gonna be a bouncer. Go get it. Yeah, you got it. You got all the toys, huh? Come here, Spiky. What's this? Look at you sitting without even being asked. What a good boy. Ready? Here goes. Go get that ball. Good boy. Spike. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. You got it? So gentle. Good boy. So this is Spike. He's a gentleman. Come on, the people want to see your face. He's a gentleman and an athlete and very handsome. Mr. Spike. Good boy.